Alright guys, see your guy Big Tank from Double South, and this video now we'll talk about CSS and margin for the CSS rather. So if you see my code now, I already create H1 for you, then I already create this div. You need that tell now for the last video now, tell now say the margin space and be the space where they separate each element now for me sure that now you get. So then I one element now, then another element. So the space where they separate the two now be the margin space. So I go show now how that margin space they work now. So if I refresh now, you see and say I get this text now, who's the right now, you know. Then I can get this div now where you see this red box now. So by default now, our browser already has a kind of small styling for us. You see this space now where like they separate these two guys from each other now, where they separate this text and this box from each other now. This space where you see now, so now your margin space. You get this space where you see so now your margin space. Now they separate the two together now. So I want to just show now something quickly. And if I come this H1 now, I say I want push this one come down away. You get I make the space big. What I go do here, I'll come here, I'll say I want make the margin bottom now. Make the margin bottom, make it be 50 pixel. You see it don't push on down small. Over those not show, don't push on down small. So as I say margin, I they put this infinite because I put infinite, I say bottom, meaning the margin so now the button now want me the space come. You get I want me the space enter the button. So if I put 250 now, it's supposed to push and go down way now. You see it don't push and go down because I they apply the space now just to only the bottom part here. You see so if you say the margin left now. So if I say margin left like we they worry this thing I show. The kind of thing won't show me antivirus. Big. All right, so if show see one show hide notification beg away, you don't try. And if I say margin left now, that means I'm going to add space now to the left of that particular element now. You get so if we say 200 pixel, and if I space it see it don't push on for me. You see now it don't push on for me. I see add to the top now. You get I'll see margin top. So if I say margin top now, I put like 100 pixel. Now when I go to small, I put like 300 pixel. Most of the go happen. You see it don't push on from the top now, so this guy now don't come down more. You get so I feel just add margin to the bottom, to the left, to the top, to the right. So this four part now, so I feel add space in to everywhere around. So you could just add the space now to each part where I specify. If I say top now, it go add space to the top. If I say left, it go add to the left. If I say bottom to the bottom. And if I see corner now, I say right now, it go add to the right. But when I know this now based on say space already big for here now. So no worry, so the design kind of stuff now I go to use them once. The same thing with this div. If I come here now, say make I add all this margin to the div now, the same thing I go see happen. It go see push to the it go see the push onto different place where I specify here. So the important thing we need to note is that we get this we get these four different specifications now for the margin now. You get which is the top, right, the bottom, and the left. You get top, right, bottom, and the left. So if you add on like that now, you see I tell you no go show before. So if you add on like that, I go to add space to wherever you want make the space appear. You get and another way there again. If I remove this one like this now, so if I remove her now, you see I say it don't come back to normal now. It don't come back to normal. If I don't write all this many things now, I say maybe I want just add space now to just the top and the bottom now. I want just add to this top and the bottom now. I feel do one like this. I feel say margin. I feel say margin. If I say margin now, so I feel just come here and I go say I want add like 200 pixel to the top and the bottom, but may nothing to the left and the right. You see only top and the bottom now, nothing to the left or the right now. You get now if you can wonder say what if I want to make the space for here different, the space for here different, then this one different, this one different. We fit still go back to that normal way do our many things, but if we don't do it like that, we won't do our straight line, then this our margin. I know collect 2 values, and I could just collect 4 values. And before I clean, I just notice now this first value now, so they add space to the top and the bottom. Why this other value now, so they add to the left and the right. But if I want add to everywhere, now what I go do now, so I go first start from the top now. I go say I want the top be 150 pixel now. It add to the top now. Then the next one now go be the right hand side now. I can see okay, since no show put 0 pixel now. Then the next one I'll copy the bottom, because the thing they go clockwise, not anti-clockwise, they go clockwise. So top, right, bottom, left. You get top, right, bottom, left. So map of 400 pixel for the other side. You see. So you decide it's maybe now. So you see. So if you use one line now, it specify the 4 values what I want. I've used one line to specify the 4 values what I want. And another thing is, if I want to give all of them exactly the same value for the top, right, bottom, and left, now if you just go in, only one thing I'll just write, I'll just say 300 pixel. If I just put on like this now, automatically I will give the top, right, bottom, left, I will give all of them the same space. So now so much is just a work for CSS, you know, Passo. And also the running matter they go now, I'm going to show us a small example now, and I'm going to use more margin, I'm going to understand how it in the be. So more in this one, you'll see be your guy Big Tank from Double Sat, and if you like the video, you know, they be now subscribe. If you don't like the video, see subscribe me for no loss. Thank you.